The Rockwell Automation solution for site-level visualization applications is FactoryTalk View SE, short for Site Edition. This is a software-based solution that runs on a Windows computer. It is important to understand that FactoryTalk View SE can run on industrial computers or commercial computers. You might see a commercial PC running View SE in a dedicated control room that is at least somewhat separated from the factory floor. Industrial computers are better suited for the harsh environments of the factory floor. Allen Bradley offers industrial computers. This product line is called VersaView. Note that if the PC is an industrial computer with integrated touch display, it will physically look similar to a machine-level HMI. FactoryTalk View SE is a modern, fully featured site-level HMI that includes all functionality that a distributed site-level HMI customer would expect, including a graphic symbol library with animations, global objects, recipe management, scripting, alarms and events management, redundancy, and historical trending. FactoryTalk View SE can be used in standalone applications where the software is running on a single industrial computer connected directly to the controller or controllers. The specific View SE runtime software product for these applications is called FactoryTalk View SE Station. A more common use of the platform is in distributed applications, where FactoryTalk View SE servers collect information from multiple controllers and run services such as alarms and events. View SE client computers then connect to these View SE servers to actually display information to users. The runtime software for these distributed applications consists of several software components requiring multiple licenses. FactoryTalk View Studio Enterprise is a common development platform for implementing both station and distributed applications. Furthermore, View Studio is the development platform for both View SE and View ME applications, which use PanelView Plus hardware.